Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And to all my all-time followers, thank you guys so much for always here all the time. Alright, in today's video, I'm here in my family room and we are going to decorate for fall. My inspiration came from my wall art and also my rustic fireplace. You see at the backdrop the curtain I have in my entryway, so I'm going to tie them up together for fall, and I will do part 1 of my fall home tour and also another one for the glam squad of our group, another fall home tour. So on my fall home tour, as you know that I told in the past that I'm going to have a little bit of giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get started. This one right here guys, I thrifted this one from Goodwill and it was brand new. What I did disinfect this one. So it was a faux leather and it's perfect for fall. And I think I only paid $3 for this. So it was really perfect. Alright, this throw pillow right here came from Home Goods. Obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse, and I'll stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. So I'm gonna reuse this candle from Heart and Hand last year. I haven't used it. I have 2 of them. So I'm gonna use this. This one right here, I thrifted this one. That's why I use it, because she has the same color of my wall art. And there's a green, so I'm gonna reuse this vase. So I have some thrifted items mixed in here. You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see. This one right here, I got this from Home Goods last year, and you guys seen this one on my tablescape. This is very heavy because it was metal, and I believe this is, how much is this last year? I think like 89, yeah, 80 bucks, 79.99. It was very heavy. May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. In clouds and suns, maybe, just maybe, I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me.
Alright guys, so let's start from my candle. Right here came from Nordstrom. I have that on my shopping haul, I think 2 months ago. And this clear pumpkin, I have this for a while now, I think 3 years from Home Goods. This one right here, it was my purchase probably like 3 weeks ago. If you want something like this, maybe check your Home Goods. It was very nice detail, it's modern. You can put glam on this one. and there are two of them, so each of them are $24.99. So if you're a modern glam or something about rustic, this is perfect. It's built, yeah, it can be all year round. And right over here, this fall leaves came from Target, and again I have the other one. So you know guys that all my throw pillow are from Home Goods, aside from those faux leather right there that I thrifted. My throw blanket, this one is also from Home Goods. So mostly I reuse what I have last year, and have a few new here, which is this one right here and that guy, but the rest are already, I have it for a while. Okay, right over here, this one right here came from Hobby Lobby, and it was on clearance for, I believe, 90% off. So I think this one I only paid like $3 for this, the bottom. I believe it was $39.99. And this is one of my other candle from Magnolia Homes last year, and I just chose it now. This one right here also from, I believe this one is TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Right over here, because my theme is those wall art right there. You see the detail of the pumpkin on my wall art. So this pumpkin right here, actually guys, this one came from Mark's grocery store, and this one is $3.49. I have 4 of them. Right over here, this candle holder I thrifted from Goodwill like 3 years ago. Right here came from Home Goods 2 years ago. And this one I purchased way back. This was silver, but for some reason I kinda like fall out of love with silver, so I painted it in gold. I love gold. That one right there from Hobby Lobby, it was also in clearance. I believe I only paid $3.49. That one right there from At Home, also on clearance. But let's talk about my fireplace. So the inspiration is actually a rustic inspiration, which is my fireplace. As you can see, my fireplace is like a stone, and I told you before if it's okay to paint it this white, but some of you said no, and Steve is really loving this one. So now I'm kinda like, I did not say fall in love with it, but I'm loving it for fall. And I think it was texture here on my family room, and I did some this shelves right here come from CB2, so it was kind of like tied up. It's kind of like perfect on the fireplace. It make a little bit glam. Okay, so I don't know what this one is called, I forgot, but this one came from Crate and Barrel last year. This one right here came from Target. I believe that was Studio McGee last year. Alright, so let's go back from my fall garland. So this is all mixed from I have last year. And this one right here came from Magnolia Homes from Target. And this one right here, as you can see, this is also like faux leather. And this one came from Hobby Lobby. That one I have that from At Home like 3 years now. And this wool art right here came from Ross. You see that on my shopping haul. The bliss sign is from Home Goods last year. So the only new here is this one right here. I already did have this one last year and some of those fillers of fall. Pumpkin. So because it was rustic, I really love the texture of like a rattan, so that's why I incorporate that in this room. And my wall is also like a rustic. Okay, I told you before where my pumpkin came from. It was from Home Goods, and the stand right here came from Hobby Lobby, and I colored that black last time, and actually the original color of this one is black, and I colored it in gold, and again I turned it to black because I would like it to be tied with this one right here. Okay, so I already know that all of this item right here, I have this last year. The bowl came from Home Goods. Same thing, this one is thrifted. And this one right here from Target. I think this one from Home Goods. And again, I colored it in gold because it used to be silver. Right over here, my console table came from Home Goods, but I will leave the link with this similar to this in my description box if you guys are interested. And right over here, I made this garland using this before. So I already have this one like last year for the clearance section way back in Hobby Lobby, and I never used it. So what I did, I put more of my fall fillers like this one right here and this one to make it a full look, it more like volume, because this one is a very skinny what do you call this one, garland, I don't know if this is garland candle holder slash garland, so that's why I make it more in full look. Mirror came from Home Goods. Some of you asked me where I get the lamp, also from Home Goods. Okay, right over here, this is all mixed. This is, I thrifted this. It used to be black, but I colored it in gold. Alright guys, so this is my fall family room. And again, I'm going to create the tablescape. So everyone, I'm having a close collaboration with Zoe Home Inspired Living. She is a Filipino like me. I discovered her channel because of the blue and white. So I invited her to have a close collaboration with me with the blue and white fall tablescape. I hope you can stop by and say hi to her when we do the close collab this coming Sunday. She is still new here in YouTube and she lives in the Philippines, and I really miss home, and I'm very excited for this close collaboration because guys, she is very talented. I hope you can check her channel out, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. And if you like this video guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye everyone! Be safe!